My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware, which is called LOL, L-O-L. The video is strictly for educational purposes. I'm not going to promote this ransomware. By making this video, I'm going to tell you about the damage that this ransomware does. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all that can be opened easily without any troubles at all. But the point is that because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this LOL ransomware may affect the data. It may penetrate into the computer and damage the files. It is called LOL because this ransomware actually appends this LOL extension to the files. And of course, it's not possible to use the data anymore. The ransomware tells the victims in this message file on the desktop that the files have been damaged and encrypted and that users need to pay the ransom for file recovery in the amount of €300. And by the way, this ransom note is in Russian. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that your data would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So don't pay the ransom. I recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green button, install the software, and start thoroughly researching your system with its help. You need to click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature is the part of the premium license only. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning, of course, you'll see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. You'll be able to know the exact locations of threats on your device. Based on that information about locations of threats, some threats can always be removed manually, of course, but we recommend that you consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.